So sorry guys. Okay, we're in. So she stick tape the box. Yeah. Okay. So this is prototype number 2, as I just read from the side of the box. And this is by SILVIA EZQUERRA. Okay, I got 20% battery, so I gotta make this fast. At least she wrapped it up nicely. I feel like it took ages to post it, I don't know. I might be, yeah. Sorry guys, I'm so unco and I don't want to cut my hand open. I should have actually got some photos of the box. Okay, so in here we have so let's start off with this present. Whoops, today all this stuff's coming out. Okay, so I think this is all the original stuff that she came with. So we have a little headband. A little like singlet thing. Don't know quite what that is. A dummy. We have these gorgeous little pants. Trying to work out of these because she said it came with all of her original stuff, but they can't. I don't know if that's an Australian brand. That's definitely an Australian brand. Okay, maybe that's the stuff she came with. Okay, there's that one. Okay, so this looks more like it. Okay, so we have these little shoes. Oh my god, look at these. How cute are they? Look at them. Ah. Okay, I'll put them over there. And we have this gorgeous little dress. Oh, it's like, actually no, it's like a little romper set. That's cute. That's Target. That's just a bit, I don't know. It's kind of, they don't have Target over there. Okay. This is all about, but okay. This is her belly plate. And this is her COA. Super weird. Okay. What do you mean you can't see? Yeah, it's here. Okay, and then we got these. This is all looking Australian, so I'm just a bit, I don't know. And she literally, okay, so let's do this. Sure. Maybe she's wearing her prototype outfit. I don't know. Oh my god, I'm gonna love this. I can already tell. Oh, she's got a nappy on her head. Okay, let's you can see I'm so great at the whole reveal thing. Wow. What the hell? I can't believe I'm holding a SILVIA baby at the moment. Oh my god. Holy badooly. Okay, that's definitely an original outfit from her because that's not Australian, so that must be that. Okay, and she's got this like thing. I'm gonna take that off because I don't really like that. Okay. Wow, look at that. Oh my god. She feels so nice as well. Hang on, I'm gonna flip the camera for you. Okay, so here she is. I don't like these little beady things, but anyway. So she's got like this little romper set on, and she's got a nappy. Looks Australian as well. They look Spanish. Okay, so ready? Oh, hang on. Me and my dodgy filming. Can anyone guess the kit name? Okay, let's just do it. Let's just do it. Holy badooly. No, she isn't full body. Holy badooly. Look at that hair. Needs a brush. There she is. So she is the Summer Rain by, she's a Reborn, and she's by SILVIA EZQUERRA. And her hair's all, but yeah, look at that hair. Yeah. She's gorgeous, actually. Her hair needs a really good brush, but there she is. Let's look at all her feet and that. The other side. Yeah, okay. I'll do that. That's her. She's absolutely, like, I'm speechless. Like, she's so good. My god, look at her face, though. She's got fluff on her face. Okay. So, well, I better not put the recliner down because otherwise we're gonna... Okay. Wait 1 second. Let's just, I'm just gonna put a little socks back on just because don't want her getting stained feet. Okay, I'm putting you down for a second while I put the other sock on. Yeah, for sure. Okay, let me just put her. Oh my god, she like flops like a little baby. So she feels like she's got angel silk in her and those little beads. Okay, there she is, walking around. Okay, her hair is like a big mat, but let's just fix it. Actually, I need my glasses because I can't see what I'm doing, so that would be helpful, and this is all the mess I've made. So you can sit there, Miss Summer, and I can go there. I so want to put her in. Okay, well, I'm just gonna. Actually, no, this outfit's bugging me. Is there like something? She's like a little top. What's this one? Oh, that's cute. Let's put her in that. Sorry. Actually, no, let's just leave her in that. Okay. But she needs a headband. So we're all good. Here she comes. Hey, Kobe Bonobi. She's gonna go meet her bro. But I'm gonna brush her hair first. Wow, she's like literally matted. Okay, that's gonna do. Look at that. There we go. Okay, so now you guys wanted to see her next to Joseph. Look at that. Wow. In your fluff, yeah. So yeah, that's him. Look at his belly.